Hey everyone, welcome to Z Mobile Hub. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 and 8 Pro. With leaks and rumors circulating, it's clear that these next-generation smartwatches are on the horizon. Let's explore what we know so far about these potential game-changers for outdoor and fitness enthusiasts. The Garmin Fenix series has long been a favorite among adventurers and athletes for its rugged durability, innovative features, and reliable performance. From scaling mountains to running marathons, the Fenix has proven itself as a trusted companion. So, what can we expect from the upcoming Fenix 8 and 8 Pro? Here's a look at the rumored upgrades and improvements. Exciting rumors suggest a major performance upgrade for the Fenix 8 series. A new, more powerful processor could significantly enhance responsiveness and smooth app usage, leading to faster loading times and more efficient multitasking. This upgrade might provide a more fluid interface, improving the overall user experience. Battery life is always a concern for smartwatch users. The Fenix 8 Pro might address this with a substantial upgrade, potentially offering longer battery life even with intensive GPS and other power-hungry features. This improvement would be a major relief for those who spend extended periods outdoors. Garmin is known for pushing the boundaries of health tracking, and the Fenix 8 series is expected to continue this trend. Rumors suggest advancements in heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and blood oxygen measurement. There may also be new metrics like stress tracking and advanced recovery analysis tools, helping users optimize their training and overall well-being. For adventurers who rely on their smartwatch for navigation, the Fenix 8 series could be a game-changer. Leaks indicate improved GPS accuracy, enhanced topographic maps, and advanced multi-band GNSS support. These features could ensure superior signal reception in challenging environments, allowing users to navigate new trails with greater confidence. The Fenix 8 series might feature a next-generation display with better sunlight readability, increased scratch resistance, and possibly solar charging capabilities on the Pro model. This would be a significant upgrade, especially for those who spend long periods outdoors and need a smartwatch that remains functional and visible in various conditions. While the Fenix series has focused on outdoor and fitness features, the Fenix 8 might cater to a broader audience. Rumors suggest advanced smart features like contactless payments, music storage, and improved app compatibility. These additions could make the Fenix 8 a versatile all-rounder, appealing to both athletes and everyday users. The Fenix 8 series will face tough competition from high-end smartwatches like the Apple Watch Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. To stand out, it will need to offer superior features for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes, such as advanced navigation tools, robust health tracking, and exceptional battery life. So when can we expect the Fenix 8 series? Based on past release cycles, a late 2024 or early 2025 launch seems likely. Pricing details are still under wraps, but with the rumored upgrades, the Fenix 8 series will likely fall into the premium smartwatch price range. The Garmin Fenix 8 and 8 Pro promise to be exciting additions to the smartwatch market, with enhanced performance, advanced health tracking, and improved navigation. While we await the official announcement, the leaks and rumors suggest a truly groundbreaking series. Garmin fans, get ready for what might be the ultimate tool for your next big adventure. What features are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smartwatch news and reviews.